Now let's talk about your fireworks and how you will know whether or not they're legitimate. First, you need to find a reputable retailer. You will find these in a tent. They'll be in a semi truck. They could be in a store. But first thing you need to do is check and make sure they have a license from your state or your city. They will have those on premises. Ask for those. They have to be displayed where you can see them. But that's one of the first steps that you can ensure safety and you're getting a fresh product that is made with the restrictions of the government in your local area. Of course, all your fireworks will have listed on the side the type they are, which is Class C, which is the most common firework available that you would shoot in your community or your neighborhood. And all those will have those on there. If they do not have the seal on there of what type they are, then you might consider those as possibly an illegal firework. One of the most common fireworks you will find at an establishment that is illegal will be the larger firecrackers. And of course, those are the same. They will have the 1.4 gram located on the side, or, it's guideline by your state. It'll have a restriction as common Class C firework. If it is a larger firework, such as an M80 or a cherry bomb, please note there's a lot of items that have that name that are Class C fireworks, but there's also some illegal fireworks that have that name on them that are quarter sticks of dynamite, which are very powerful. It can cause you to lose fingers and have major burns to your hands and also loss of vision. And to be able to determine whether or not, again, whether or not your firework is Class C common or something that somebody's made in their basement, you simply need to go to a reputable dealer and again, look for those licenses they have, and again, look for the product and the labeling they have on them. They must have the gram that's on them and the Class C firework label on them. And on some of your labels, you will find it'll say consumer fireworks, which means Class C fireworks.